Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good
Please,
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning to all.
Good
Beta, please
morning, ma'am.
switch on your videos. Okay, stand on the floor. Stand on the floor. Join your hands. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Let's recite Gayatri Mantra for 3 times before starting our class. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Okay, open your eyes, everyone. Open your eyes, everyone. So, you all know that today is the International Yoga Day, the 7th International Yoga Day. So, I wish you all a happy Yoga Day. So, you all know that today is 7th International Yoga Day? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have also requested you to ask your parents to join you for today's class. Ask your brother, sister also to join. Okay, now beta, first of all, before going for yoga asanas, before going for the practices of yoga asanas, so first of all, we will discuss what is yoga. What is yoga, how it helps us to be healthy, to help us to be fit. So as we all know that today is International Yoga Day, which we have celebrated every year on June 21st. Okay, so what is yoga? The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to join, to yoke, or to unite. This means that yoga helps us to unite our body with our mind. Okay, so yoga helps us to unite our body with our mind. Yoga is a spiritual discipline based on an extremely subtitle science which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. It is an art of science of healthy living. So yoga helps us to be fit, to be healthy. It also helps us to remove the stress from our body, helps us to remain or stay fit or healthy, helps us to think positive, feel good, and we can also improve our mental health with the help of yoga, because it helps us to coordinate with our mind and with our body. So it helps us to unite our mind with our body. So so why yoga? Why we are doing yoga? Because yoga helps us to enhance our health. It also helps us to improve our strength, our flexibility. It helps in reducing the symptoms of stress, depression, and anxiety. If we will do yoga every day, so we will also remain mentally fit as well. It improves our health, reduce various diseases from our body. Then next, what are the benefits of yoga? How it helps us? Now, yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility in our body, helps with back pain relief, can ease arthritis symptoms. Arthritis is a joint pain problem. It also helps in benefiting our heart health. It also relaxes us, makes us healthy, help us to sleep better. We can also feel energetic after doing yoga. When we are doing yoga every day in the morning, we will feel energetic. We will feel more strong. After doing yoga, we will do all our daily tasks with full energy. Then it also helps us in managing stress. It is one of the stress release exercise for our daily living. So the more benefits of yoga is it also helps in strengthen our arms, our whole body as well. It improves our oxygen depth capacity. It increases our metabolism, helps in digestion. As we have already discussed in our yoga class earlier also, that Vajrasana is one of the asanas which we are doing just after taking the meal. I hope you all know this thing. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we are doing yoga. It helps in improving our digestion also. It also helps us to attain peace of mind. Then yoga techniques. So there are various yoga techniques and few of them are, first one is Surya Namaskar. Beta, as you all know, we are doing Surya Namaskar in our yoga classes also. So it consists of how many steps?
12.
12.
Steps.
It consists of 12 steps. It is also known as
12
sun
steps.
salutation. It also helps in stretching up our whole body. Then asanas are further divided into standing asanas, sitting asanas, and lying asanas, which we are already doing in our yoga classes, and we will also practice this today as well. Then next one is meditation. Meditation is one of the best thing to attain peace of mind. Okay, for help us to free from stress, for free from depression. Meditation is very important for us. As we all know, after doing yoga asanas, we are chanting Om. We are chanting Om, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
chanting Om every time after doing yoga asana. So it is also helps us to attain peace of mind. Then next one is pranayam. Pranayam is all the breathing exercises which we are doing just after our class. The Anulom Vilom, the fast breathing, the Kapal Bhati, everything comes under pranayam. We are doing Anulom Vilom now.
Yes, ma'am.
So all
Yes,
these
ma'am.
breathing exercises are comes under pranayam. So these are the pictures, some pictures of Surya Namaskar, pranayam, meditation, and yoga asanas. Okay, so conclusion, we all have to do yoga every day. It helps us in making our life healthy, helps us in living longer, helps us to achieve our health goals. It helps us to decrease various problems like various back pain and so many other diseases also. It helps us to free from various diseases. So take the time to make your soul happy. So yoga helps us to make your soul happy, make your inner soul happy. Yoga add years to your life and live to life to your years. Means if you are doing yoga every day, you will live longer. Okay, and it also helps you to free from various diseases. So are you all ready for the yoga session?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Are you all
Yes,
ready?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's start with our yoga class. I request you all to please stand on the floor. Stand on the
And
floor, everyone.
beta
Hurry
turn
up.
on your videos.
Okay, so before starting yoga asanas, we do stretching. Okay, stretch your body upward. Stretch your body upward. Very good. Okay, slowly, slowly come down. Okay, now bend forward. Bend forward, everyone. Slowly, slowly come up. Okay, now open your legs. Bend towards your right side. Okay, left side. Again, right side. left side. Okay, now bend backward. Keep your arms on your waist and bend backward. Okay, then relax. Now join your legs. There should be a slight gap between your legs. Now we will do upward body twisting exercise. You all have to twist our body first, left side, then right side. Take a movement, do a movement with your arms as well, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, relax. Shake your arms, shake your legs. Okay, so let's start with our warming up exercises. For warming up, we will start with jumping exercises. Start doing with me, start jumping with me, everyone. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, relax. Shake your arms, shake your legs. Very good. Okay, now we will do jumping jacks. Start doing with me. Start doing jumping jacks with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, relax. Shake your arms, shake your legs. Very good. Okay, everyone, now open your legs slightly according to your shoulder width. Open your legs according to your shoulder width. Okay, now we will do squats. You all have to go down and up. Do it with me. Hurry up. We will do 10 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, start jumping, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, relax. Shake your arms, shake your legs. Very good. Okay, now we will start doing with asanas. So first of all, first asana is Tadasana. So Tadasana is also known as palm tree pose. Okay, now what are the benefits of Tadasana? Hurry up, who will tell?
Ma'am,
Fast. Yeah, Mayank will tell, beta.
ma'am, it
Mayank,
helps in increasing height.
very good. What else? Only one benefit of Tadasana is there.
I'm maintaining blood circulation.
Very good.
It improves our balance.
Very good. It improves our balance. It helps in the blood circulation. It also helps in stretching up your whole body. Okay, now let's start with the Tadasana.
It
So-
helps
Next time. Very good. Okay, open your legs slightly. Take your arms upward. Come on toes. Hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, slowly come down. Relax. Shake your arms, shake your legs. Very good. Okay, again, go for the Tadasana. Stretch your arms upward. Come on toes. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, slowly, slowly come down. Relax. Shake your arms, shake your legs. Okay, the second asana we will perform Vriksha Asana. Okay, so for Vriksha Asana, you all have to stand straight. Vriksha Asana helps in strengthen your legs, strengthen your upper body. Okay, so first of all, you all have to lift your right leg and place it on your other leg thigh. And look forward, look in front and make Namaskar position. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, slowly, slowly take your arms downward. Now, keep your leg on the floor. Relax. Okay, now lift your other leg. Lift your other leg and place it on your other leg thigh. And make Namaskar position. This asana also helps in improving your balance. Hurry up, Nirlav. Watch on one single point for maintaining balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, slowly, slowly take your arms downward. Now keep your foot on the floor. Okay, now do it from right side again. Again, do it from right side. Hold it. Take your arms upward. Breathe normal. Hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, slowly, slowly come down. Do it from other side. Hurry up. Hurry up. Make the balance. Take your arms upward. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Shake your arms, shake your legs. Very good. Okay, beta. The third asana which we will perform is Trikona Asana. For Trikona Asana, you all have to open your legs. Trikona Asana is very beneficial for reducing your side fat, your belly fat. Okay, open your legs. Now bend towards your right side. Keep your right palm on the floor. Lift your other arm upward and look upward and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Come in again, upward position. Now bend towards your left side. Keep your left palm on the floor. Keep your legs straight. Don't bend your knees. And look upward, everyone. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, come up. Again, bend towards your other side. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Slowly come up. Now bend towards your other side. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, slowly come up. Relax, join your legs. Shake your legs and shake your arms. Very good. Nirla, stop dancing, beta. Very good. Okay, everyone. Now we will do Hanuman Asan. Okay, for Hanuman Asan, we all have to stretch our legs. This Asan helps in improving our flexibility of legs. Okay, now we all have to open our legs slightly. Twist our body towards right side and open our legs as much as we can. Okay, our foot should be in one line. दोनों पैर एक लाइन में होने चाहिए आपके. You all have to look towards the right side. Open up your legs as much as you can without bending your knees. Keep your knees straight and make namaskar position. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now twist your body towards the other side. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, other side. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, relax. Join your legs. Okay, shake your arms, shake your legs. Very good. Okay, beta, sit down, everyone. Now you all have to sit down. Sit in Padmasana. Now, how to take Padmasana? First of all, you all have to stretch your legs forward, then cross your leg, keep your one leg on your other leg thigh, cross your other leg and put on your other leg thigh. Okay, the one those who are not able to do Padmasana can either do Ardha Padmasana also. Okay, so now we will do sitting Parvatasana. Okay, so Parvatasana is also known as mountain pose. It helps in stretching up our back muscles. It also helps in relieving from back pain also. It also strengthens our arms and strengthen our upper body also. Now, first of all, lift your arms upward, cross your fingers, stretch your arms and your upper body upward and hold it. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, slowly come down. Shake your arms. Shake your arms. Relax. Okay, do it again, Lift your arms upward, cross your fingers, stretch your upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, relax. Come down. Shake your arms. Very good. Okay, now stretch your legs forward like this. Keep your back straight. Stretch your legs forward like this. Keep your back straight. Hurry up. Okay, now take your arms upward and bend forward. Hold your toes and look downward. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Khushi beta, get up and start doing.
Beta, please do this exercise if you want to be healthy, if you want to be fit, please do it with me. Okay, this asana is known as Paschimottanasana asana. This asana is very beneficial for the people those who are suffering from back pain. Okay, now let's do it again. Take your arms upward, bend forward, hold your toes and look downward. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, slowly come up. Relax. Okay, everyone, now lie down. Lie down, everyone. Now we will perform Pavanmuktasana. For Pavanmuktasana, we all have to cross our legs and take our knees near to our body. Then we all have to lock our legs, lock our knees with our arms, and take our head upward and start rolling. Roll your body. Very good. Roll it. Roll your body. Roll your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Keep your legs straight. Keep your legs straight. Relax. Be normal. Okay, relax everyone. Now you all have to lift your legs upward. Lift your legs 90 degrees like this. Keep your palms on the floor. Now bend your knees and take your knees back. Take a push with your arms and take your legs backward and hold Halasana. Hold Halasana everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, relax. Come back. Okay, now everyone, relax. Shake your arms, shake your legs. Okay, now lie down in prone position. उल्टे लेट जाइए सब अपने पेट के बल. Lie down like this. Now keep your palms near your chest like this. Join your legs, keep your legs straight. Okay, now lift your body, upper body upward. Lift your only upper body and look upward. Start taking Bhujangasana, Cobra pose posture and hold it. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, slowly come down. Relax. Okay, so Cobra pose helps in reducing your back pain. It also strengthens your arm. It is one of the basic and the easiest asanas. It is also known as snake pose or Cobra pose. Okay, again we will do the same asana. Lift your upper body and look upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, slowly, slowly come down. Relax. Okay, everyone. Start taking sitting position. Start taking sitting position, everyone. Sit in Padmasana, either in Sukhasan, Vajrasan, any asan you want to like to sit. Sit in any sitting position. Start taking sitting position. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Keep your palms, make a mudra, and keep your palms on your knees. You can either take Padmasana or Ardha position. Keep the palms on your knees. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. In. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe in. Okay, start chanting Om. Take a deep breath and chant Om. Take a deep breath, everyone. Again, take a deep breath. Okay, take a deep breath. Okay, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Okay, now we will do Anulom Vilom. For Anulom Vilom, keep your one thumb on your one side nostril, breathe in from this side, and now keep your finger on your this nostril and breathe out from this side. Then again breathe in from this side and breathe out from this side. Do it with me, everyone. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in, breathe in. Breathe in. Okay, relax. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Okay, rub your palms. Rub your palms. Put it on your eyes. Slowly, slowly. Okay, thank you everyone for joining the class. Thank you, dear students. Thank you, parents. Okay, before going, we will last do one laughing exercise. Okay, now you can all unmute yourself. Keep your palm on your head and open your mouth and start laughing. You can unmute yourself and start laughing. Okay, thank you, dear students. Thank you, parents. I hope you all enjoyed the yoga session for today. So happy yoga day to you all. Thank you, everyone. Take care of your health and keep on doing yoga every day. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Happy yoga day, ma'am.
Happy
Good day.
Bye, everyone. Happy yoga day to you all.